This is the first time I do guacamole myself, inspired by my both son-in-laws, Adam and Palma. They are great at doing this. So let's see what I did. I mix avocado, smash very well, almost a paste. Add cucumber, bell pepper, and tomato for crunchiness, lime for acidity, onion and garlic for flavor, and on top of everything, cilantro. Mix well and finalize with my own seasoning salt recipe. Perfect. And I'm gonna tell you, together with the pita bread, a caprese salad, and a cold beer, we had a great happy hour at home.